Durian harvest season is underway in southern Thailand, with Nakhon Si Thammarat promoting Ton Nam Ta Pi durian for global markets. Nakhon Si Thammarat has officially opened its 2026 durian harvest season at a plantation in Phipun district, one of the province's key durian growing areas and the source of the Ta Pi River. The event was presided over by Deputy Governor Suwat Jansuk and featured the ceremonial cutting of the season's first Montong durian, symbolizing the start of the harvest and signaling that the province's premium quality durians are ready for market. Provincial agriculture officials are urging growers to harvest only fully mature fruit, at least 120 days old, to maintain quality standards and prevent immature durians from reaching consumers. Authorities are also focusing on improving production efficiency, reducing farming costs, and raising quality standards to meet the requirements of both domestic and export markets. Measures have also been introduced to prevent the mislabeling of durians from other areas.
ที่เนี่ยเรารณรงค์เน้นตัดทุเรียนคุณภาพก็คือจะต้องแก่จัดแป้งต้อง34หรือว่าอย่างน้อยต้อง32ขึ้นนะคะให้บริการตอนนี้อยู่ที่สำนักงานเกษตรอำเภอทุกอำเภอสำนักงานเกษตรจังหวัดแล้วก็ส่วนของกรมวิชาการก็คือสวพ.เองนะคะก็รับตรวจให้นะคะแต่ถ้าเกษตรกรมั่นใจแล้วก็มีการจดบันทึกวันดอกบานก็ไม่ต้องไปตรวจก็ได้ยังไงก็ถ้า120วันเนี่ยยังไงก็ได้ค่ะ
Nakhon Si Thammarat has more than 21,900 hectares of durian plantations, making it the third largest durian growing province in southern Thailand. More than 15,000 hectares are currently in production. Officials expect this year's harvest to exceed 124,000 tons. In Phipun district alone, more than 15,000 tons of durian are expected to enter the market, supporting efforts to position Ton Nam Ta Pi durian on the global stage.